Before 1847, alarm clocks could only ring at one preset time. If you wanted to wake up at 7 a.m., you bought a 7 a.m. clock. Need a different time? You needed a different clock. French inventor Antoine Redier changed everything. He patented the first adjustable alarm clock in 1847. Now, one device could wake you at any hour you chose. It turned a room full of clocks into a single tool. By 1876, Seth Thomas brought it to American homes. The adjustable alarm didn't just save space, it gave us control over time. And that's how the clock that couldn't change learned to wake us all.